everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Now take a look at what I have here for you. I have a vitamin C serum, a natural homemade vitamin C serum. Now vitamin C is an antioxidant that will help to boost collagen and elastin in the skin. It is one of the most important vitamins for clearing pigmentation on the skin, such as dark spots and blemishes, sunspot, and also acne scar. Vitamin C is great to use on most skin type, and it will also leave the skin just looking younger, fresher, with a natural glow. Now you can choose to buy vitamin C powder or any form of a beauty products that is rich in vitamin C, or you could try some homemade vitamin C serum like this one here. So if you're looking for a vitamin C serum that you can make in the comfort of your home, this video is for you, so continue watching. To make your vitamin C serum, you're going to reach for some orange peel powder. This is orange and lemon peel powder, which I made myself. You can also choose to buy, and I'll put a link. Now I'm going to be using about 2 teaspoons of the orange peel powder. Orange peel is rich in vitamin C, and that is why we're using it. So we're going to reach for some hot water, and no, it's not going to damage the vitamin C properties. So we are pouring about 2 tablespoons of hot water over the orange peel. What I'm going to do, I'm going to mix it because we're brewing this orange peel, and then we're going to set this aside, preferably overnight, outside of the refrigerator for it to brew and cool. Now once we get this the next day, what we're going to do, we are going to strain. So you can use a cheesecloth or you can use a strainer, so go ahead and strain. And if it's a little thick, not to worry, that's just how the orange peel work. Now after straining, take a look. This is your vitamin C liquid. So what we're going to do for the serum, we're going to reach for some aloe vera gel. And we are going to take about a teaspoon of aloe vera gel. And we're going to pour this in. We're using about 2 tablespoons of the orange peel mixture, and now we're adding 1 teaspoon of the aloe vera gel. So 2 tablespoons of the orange peel mixture with 1 teaspoon of the aloe vera gel, and we're going to totally dissolve the aloe vera in our vitamin C liquid. Totally dissolve, and this is going to get thick. Not to worry, we are making a serum. Now what we're going to do next, we are going to reach for some rose water. We're not using a lot of this. This also helps to balance the natural pH of the skin. We're using about a tablespoon of the rose water. Pour this in. Now if you have vegetable glycerin, which is an optional ingredient, you can go ahead and you can use it in this. We're using about a teaspoon of the vegetable glycerin, optional. If you do not have the vegetable glycerin, you can go ahead and use about 2 to 3 drops of your favorite vitamin E oil. And now we are mixing well. We are mixing orange peel liquid with rose water, aloe vera gel, and a little bit of a vegetable glycerin, and that is how you make your vitamin C serum. So once this is done, our serum is ready, and now you're going to choose a jar or a bottle to store your vitamin C serum in. If you have a bottle with a pump, go ahead and use that. If not, just use whatever you have. And take a look at this. Here you have your vitamin C serum. This serum is best used at night. So you're just going to take a small amount of the serum. You're going to place it in your hands like this. Just a small amount, about 2 to 3 drops of the serum. You're just going to rub the serum in your hands. So now once you have it in your hands like this, then you're just going to go ahead and you're going to press the serum on the skin. Press the serum on the skin, and this one is also good to go under your eyes. So don't be afraid to put it all around your eyes, especially the crow's feet area. Now take that serum down on your neck and your décolleté. This is going to lighten, brighten, boost collagen and elastin in the skin. Now once that is done, you are going to let the serum dry on your skin, and then you're going to go ahead and apply your favorite moisturizer. So there you have it, a quick and easy vitamin C serum. Go ahead and save those orange, lemon, and even lime peel to make your facial serum. Now here is a bonus. If you want to kick this serum up a notch, you can choose to add a dash of a turmeric powder to this, whether white or yellow turmeric, and this is also going to further help to lighten, brighten, clear the skin, and give you that natural glow to the skin. Thank you all for watching. You like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, don't forget to share, and don't forget to leave your comment.